Namaste everyone, my name is Anvita Dixit and I'm the co-founder of Yogic Gurukul. I've had the privilege of growing up at the Kevalitham Yoga Institution, and so yoga has been a part of my life since a very young age, and I've been very passionate about it, and that's why I'm very excited to finally officially be appearing on our YouTube channel. Prior to this, I've had my own podcast. I've done 2 master's degrees, one of course in yoga and one in business management, and I've had the privilege of having a very yogic environment around me throughout. And it's been great because my sister Anvita and my father Ravi Dixit ji have both guided me very thoroughly in this journey of mine. And that's why to start on my own now, it's very, very exciting. A little about me. As I said, I've grown up at the institution of Kevalitham. And I've formally been learning yoga and practicing it for the last 5 years, but I've lived it as a lifestyle for the last 23 years. I've been very grateful because I've learned concepts like mitahar and yogic lifestyle that I try to practice in my day-to-day life as well. At the institute itself, we've conducted many iconic programs. We've had yoga day programs that happen consecutively every year. And I had the privilege of working with my father and doing 100 yoga day programs dedicating to the 100 years of existence celebrations of Kevalitham, and many other occasions like this, like teaching the yoga break at workplace concept at many corporates and offices, and other such occasions where I've taught yoga to individuals, high network people, and people who are from low socio-economic backgrounds as well. So teaching yoga to all kinds of people and sharing and spreading the knowledge that we have, making it a lifestyle worldwide and really trying to spread the betterment that it gives and inculcating a better, healthier and happier lifestyle to people. So this is something I have learned while I've been in this environment, and I wish to share that and grow further in this journey and share also the wisdom and knowledge with all of you. So I look forward to interacting more and more, and this is just my first glimpse on our channel, but there's many more to come and I'm really excited for that. Thank you very much and namaste.